Hey guys, so I just wanted to make an updated version of this video because I have one of these videos on my channel, but I did it like maybe 6 months or so after I started doing YouTube or something. It's a year or a year and a half old at this point. And so I wanted to make an updated version of this video and kind of just talk to you guys and explain to you guys what I've learned over the course. I've been doing YouTube for 3 years now, I think. I just hit 3 years, and so I've been doing it for, that's a pretty tacky receipt. I've been doing it for a little while now, and yeah, so I've learned some new things and tricks and tips and everything, and I wanted to talk to you guys and let you guys know what I've learned. And I have wandering eyes. A lot of people talk about my eyes all the time in my videos. I look at everything. I look at the wall. I look out the window. I apologize. It's just something I do. Even when you see me in person and I'm having a communication, a conversation, anything, I tend to not look at the person I'm talking to. It's just, I don't know, something I do. But yeah, so when I first started YouTube, I had just graduated high school. It was 2016, the summer of 2016. And I just started filming. I did any kind of video. The videos I used to watch back then were like hauls and everything like that. I used to love hauls, and so, oh, excuse me. And so I started filming videos that were hauls or makeup tutorials and stuff, because that was the kind of stuff I was into when I was 18, and that's the kind of stuff I used to watch on YouTube at that time. So I started doing those kinds of videos, and it started about 6 months for me to get enough it took about 6 months for me to get enough subscribers to be able to start monetizing my videos, which was super exciting. So when I first started monetizing my videos, it took about maybe another 3, 4, 5 months for me to be able to get my first paycheck, because they put $100 threshold on your paycheck. So you cannot get paid from YouTube unless you've made $100 or more. So it took a couple months for me to hit that $100. And I started, at first I tried to edit videos, and then a lot of people, I started realizing, kind of like the raw, uncut kind of videos. So now when I kind of do these sit down talk through videos, I really don't edit them. I don't put a lot of special effects into them, because that's not my style, and that's also the kind of videos I don't watch. If a video has a lot of special effects in it, it personally does not interest me or anything like that. So I started just, and also I'm not very good at editing. I'm not a computer whiz. I'm not very smart with technology, you know. So yeah, and then my subscribers grew and grew and grew. I'm at almost 7,000 now, which is amazing. I can't wait to get 10,000. 10,000 is my goal. If I can get 10,000 by December, and I'm gonna start filming more, because now I'm not working 2 jobs anymore. I'm gonna only be working 1 job. So I'm gonna have more free time, which I'm super excited about. So I'm gonna start filming more. I'm off topic. I'm way off topic. This is what I do. I ramble. Okay, great. Back on topic. So I started getting more subscribers, so I started getting more views. Then my next paycheck was to the point where I was getting paid monthly. So I've been getting paid monthly for about like a year and a half now, because it took, the 6 months for me to start getting paid, and then the 3, 4, 5 months for me to get my first paycheck. So that's almost a year. So for about a year and a half now, I've been getting a paycheck every month from YouTube. And so some of my videos have 300,000 views. Some of my videos have 300 views. Like, it really depends on the video. A lot of people think it depends on the subscriber count, which has never been true. It depends on the ads and the click time, what kind of ad they are, and where that person is from. So if that person is from the United States, most of the time they're worth more money. Ignore my nails. Everybody's gonna comment about my nails down below about how disgusting they are. So anyways, if the person is from the US, they're worth more money per view. And usually it's an accumulative amount of per 1,000 views. So if you have a video that gets like 600 views, you're gonna make like a couple bucks, because it's per 1,000 views. So then if you have somebody from another country, such as India or anything like that, they're usually worth less money per view. That's how the ad revenue system sees it, which is very interesting, and it's something that's interesting to find out. Another thing that is worth more money is usually older people. So if your subscribers are more of the young teen, adolescent age, you don't get paid as much per view rather than if you have people in 25 plus, I would say. Then you'll get paid more per view. So it doesn't depend actually, and of course the length of your video. All of my videos, I try to make them over 10 minutes if I can. Some of them are under 10 minutes, but I do ramble a lot. So, you know, it usually benefits me that I talk too much, because if you're over 10 minutes, you can choose how many videos or how many ads you put in your video. So it doesn't just matter on your subscribers. You could see somebody who has 1 million subscribers that aren't making a lot of money on YouTube anymore. I mean, take Glitter Forever, Breland. She's been making a bunch of videos. I was never subscribed to her, like into her, but I've been seeing a bunch of videos recently about how she's kind of struggling on YouTube because she's kind of aged herself out of what she used to do, and she's trying to find something new to do on YouTube, and she's struggling making what she used to make. I need a nap. She's struggling to make that money that she used to see on YouTube when she was at her peak of her career, even though she still has how many subscribers? Over 3 million, I think. And so it really, it has no, your subscriber count is a number that is important because you know you have a fan base, but it's not important if you're looking to make money. I do YouTube because I like it. It gives me somebody to talk to. It gives me opinions. It's something fun for me. It's interactive. I don't look for YouTube for money. So basically now, after being on YouTube for 3 years, I make anywhere between $200 and $400 a month. Some months I'm pushing $360, $370, $380. Some months I could have $175. So it's really between, I would say between $200 and $400 a month. And that's with the videos that are getting 300,000 views, or with the videos that are getting more views than the other ones. Because it depends on who's watching that video, how old are they, what kind of ad was it? Was it a skippable ad? Now they're doing double ads on YouTube, I've noticed. I've been having ad 1 of 2 pop up, and of course if you click skip, it skips both ads. So hopefully this video is like helpful for you guys, because I've been learning more stuff, and I've found out that, you know, I used to always think it was how many subscribers and how many views, and somebody who gets a couple million views on YouTube could be making the same amount as somebody who's getting 300,000 views on YouTube, which still I don't even think I've gotten I might be at 300,000 views on like one video, but still it's like, it really depends on who is behind the computer screen, who is watching that video, how old are your subscribers. So yeah, I mean, it's a game you have to play. And also when you upload that video, you might love it, but you don't know, maybe you got 1 million views last month, and this month you might get 6,000 views on that video. There's really no telling on what video is going to surpass the others, or what content is going to grab the attention of viewers. It really depends on what's surfacing at that time. The analytics are insane if you really dig into the world of YouTube. And just think about the fact that, and I think about this all the time and it just amazes me, is when I'm watching, like, who do I watch a lot? I still watch Trisha Paytas. I've been watching Trisha since I was like 14. I watch Shane Dawson even though he doesn't upload. I watch just a bunch of people that I've literally been watching for the past 10 years. It's interesting that when you're watching her video, and I'll wait for somebody that I'm subscribed to upload, Jamie and Nikki or Patricia Bright. I'll wait for them to upload. And it's funny because I'll check my subscription box and see who has uploaded, and if nobody has uploaded, I'm like, oh, there's nothing to watch. But there is so much to watch. Like, there's so much to research and Google on YouTube. There's a whole world out there uploading videos. You can watch videos from the Netherlands, and it's just the weirdest thing that for some reason in my mind YouTube is this box. My subscriber, the people I'm subscribed to, my subscriptions is a box, and it's shut. If nobody uploads, that box is sealed. You can't open it till somebody uploads, which is the weirdest thing because I don't branch out on YouTube. So think about your videos. If there's people who have been subscribed to these accounts for years and years and years, imagine you trying to find subscribers and you trying to get views and you trying to get clicks. And that's the other thing, is none of my titles or anything are ever like clickbait. My title is the video. And I'm sure if I clickbaited my videos more, if I was more into topics that are relevant, then maybe I could get more views. But it's kind of like, I just like to talk about what I like to talk about. And so you have to find somebody who is interested in the same things you're interested in. And so it's kind of like one of those games where it's just like, you never know who is watching that video. You never know who is clicking on it. You never know how much money that person is worth. Does that make sense? So hopefully this video is helpful to some people who maybe want to start YouTube or something like that. It's not subscribers. Don't get numbers in your head. Don't sit there and be like, I only have 53 subscribers. You could get more views with your 53 subscribers and more money per view than the person who has 500,000 or 1.5 million subscribers. So my point of this video is just don't get numbers stuck in your head. Don't, worry about the subscribers. Don't worry about that stuff. Because when I first started, I would check every day. Every morning I would wake up and check how many subscribers I have. Now I don't even know when's the last time I checked how many subscribers I have. I don't know when's. The only thing I go on Creator Studio for is to read and reply to comments. I don't look at views. I don't look at my AdSense. When it gets direct deposited, it gets direct deposited. Most of the time it's withdrawn in the same day for a bill. So it's just like, don't get caught up in the numbers. If YouTube is something you want to do, do it. Go for it. Be original. And also don't try to follow like the hype of, oh, Tati's doing this, so I'm going to do that. But if you're not interested in that topic or anything, it's going to be hard for you to entertain that person and talk about that topic because you're not interested in it. And that's the problem for me, is a lot of things I'm interested in are extremely boring and nobody wants to listen to it. So, me. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was informative and maybe interesting to some people, because I wish I was techie enough to like pull up my screen recording of, I don't know how to do that. If anybody wants to teach me, that would be great. I don't know how to put a video on my video. But this is all the stuff I found from researching, from looking at my own AdSense, from looking at, because some videos, one video will pay me over $100, but the video that got more views will pay me like $25. And so I started looking into, why did this video make more money with less views? That doesn't make any sense. It does make sense. It depends on who is viewing it. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.